We're live from Las Vegas celebrating 10 years of reInvent. I'm Rudy Chetty. It's been a wonderful week so far, and what a morning. I mean, I'm totally stoked for tonight's replay, and I'm here with the great Annie Hancock, AWS's Director of Creative and Customer Experiences. Annie, how are you feeling? In fact, are you ready for tonight?
Well, Thursday's always a bittersweet day for me. Like, I'm excited about the party, but I start to feel a little sad that it's coming to an end. So I'm always like, I want Thursday to go by really slowly,
Yeah.
but I also, of course, want to get to the party tonight.
And I mean, I'm pumped as well. I mean, look, you've been on site all week getting set up and put together a sneak peek for our viewers at home.
As you can see, we're coming to you live from the replay lot where, well, they're still building the party. So it takes them start to finish 20 days and over 400 people to build a party for 4 hours. We're out here, rain or shine. This year we've got a lot of shine. We've had some years where it's been cold and rainy, but we're building an amazing party for everyone. So immediately behind me is our music stage. That's where our performer this year is going to be playing. We've got Zed playing the party this year. We're super stoked on that. We've also got Dodgeball, fan favorite every year. I'm not saying that people like to aggressively throw balls at their coworkers, but people like to aggressively throw balls at their coworkers. We've also got an amazing food and drink tent where we've got all sorts of gourmet food and drink for people to partake in. We also have an activities tent. So this isn't just a regular party. We've got things like Office Chair Grand Prix. We've got an arcade game. We've got a game called Button Mash where you press a button 50 times and try to get to the top. So lots of fun things to do besides just listen to music and eat and drink. This year we've added a couple of new features. We've got our sponsor pavilion where you can come and hang out, do some activities with some of our sponsors, and we've also got a silent disco. So over the years we've had a lot of you say, I love replay, I love the music, but I want to experience it in a more chill environment. Here you can put on a headset, you can dance, you've got a little space, so we're really excited about that. This year we've got a ton of fun things coming to you from Replay. We're so excited. We got to show you a little bit of behind the scenes. If you're in Vegas, we hope to see you here this year. And if you're joining us remotely, we hope to see you next year.
Wow. Look, I cannot wait to be there in person taking selfies with all of my fans. But I gotta ask, what is your outfit plan for tonight?
Oh, well, it's very shiny.
Okay,
so
okay.
You won't
I see you got
miss me.
pre-gaming here.
Yes, this is my day party look. You know, bringing in the sequins.
Yeah.
But tonight I'll be very shiny. You'll be able to spot me in the crowd.
So we're just like, we see the shimmer and they're like, Annie, definitely Annie.
Well, you know, I'm very shy, Rudy. So you know.
No, but that's why we're here to talk. I mean, is there anything else at Replay that you want to highlight to our viewers?
I'm super excited about dodgeball always. I let my team throw the dodgeball at me there, which I'm sure they enjoyed. But dodgeball is always one of my favorites. Office Chair Grand Prix too.
Yeah.
You know, where you sit on the office chair and someone behind pushes
You're
you through
kidding
an
me. That's a
obstacle
real
course.
thing?
Yes, it's amazing.
Oh.
So, you know, it just watching it is
Yeah.
fun. You don't even have to sit in the chair. I mean, I will be dressed too nice to sit in the chair.
Excuses,
you know,
excuses. I was going to
but-
challenge you to a friendly, wager.
How was your week been, Rudy? You know, you've been running around, I've been running
Yeah.
around. What's it been like for you this week?
It's been fantastic. I mean, we got to speak to customers, partners, other AWS employees. I think it's just an amazing experience to be back here and talking to the crowd, interacting.
Yeah.
I mean, we really are customer obsessed, and this just proves it to everyone. Like, we're here for you. We want to make your experience great, and I'm always like, hey, yeah, sure, let's do this, let's do that, you know? Like, all those experiences make it worthwhile, I think.
I've heard you've eclipsed me as the selfie king, so I have been dethroned. It's fine. I'll have to work on that next year, but I have heard you're very popular this year.
No, you're too kind. I mean, we have been getting some people coming up and taking pictures, and I'm all too happy because it's something that we want to make sure that if people that come here to experience reInvent, they can meet all the people that are involved in the process.
Yeah,
and then,
love it.
I must say, say, before you leave, we have to get a selfie on
Okay.
stage.
All right,
You
we
know,
will.
have to do that. But you mentioned the different games and that. Do we have the ball pit this time?
We don't have the ball pit.
Okay.
You know, just slightly different
Fair enough,
year
fair
still.
enough.
So but the ball pit will make a return someday, I'm sure.
Yeah. Do we have the arcade?
Yes, we have the
we have the
arcade,
arcade.
and you know, secret little fun fact
Yes,
is
yes.
Adam is a Galaga fan.
You love.
So you know, when he was here before, we
Yeah.
had Galaga on the list of arcade games
Yeah.
to make sure we had because he's a fan. So we're gonna surprise him tonight with a
Okay.
Galaga game
Okay.
that he can play a little bit at replay.
So he's a hardcore fan. Does he know the trick where you get 2 ships? Do you even know that trick?
I was more of a centipede gal
Oh, more of a
myself.
centipede,
Yeah,
okay.
so you know, not as much of a Galaga fan.
Yeah, so not so much in the arcade games, it's more the dodgeball, like you said.
Yes,
and
exactly.
I remember experiencing it in 2019, and that was a lot of fun. I mean, the ground was a bit slippery, but throwing that ball, I think you're right. It was more satisfying being hit. Because I'm like, okay, now I'm out. I can get a breather. I can go back and talk to my friends and that. But it was an experience.
Yes.
And everything that we have at Replay is designed to be enjoyable.
Yes.
You know, get food, talk with your friends, talk with your colleagues, hang out. You know, maybe you'll be surprised by Annie. She'll come by in a shiny dress and say, "Hi, how's it going?" It's like, you know, I'm Annie, and she, oh my God, it's Annie Hancock. That's what I look forward to.
Okay, well, I hope I can find you tonight at the party,
Hey.
and we can get a party selfie.
Get a party selfie.
Yeah.
Oh man. So is there anything else you want to share with our viewers before we kind of wrap up the segment?
Well, we hope that everyone's enjoyed all of these segments,
Yeah.
all of the learning that we've brought to people. We know a lot of you are watching remotely, watching this, and
Yeah.
we are so excited that we've been able to share the conference with you this year. It's so fun to know that there are people out there watching along with us, learning along with
Yeah.
us. So we love it, and you know, as we've been talking about all the customers here, we appreciate everyone out
yes,
there
thank you for watching.
just as much, and we're stoked to have been able to share reInvent with you guys this year. Yeah.
Awesome. I love it. Thank you so much, Annie. It's always fun chatting to you. I mean, I'm not worthy.
Oh,
I'm not
no,
worthy.
thank you for
I'm
having
not
me.
worthy. But I'm Rudy Chetty, and you're watching live from reInvent.